In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your G35 Infiniti. To do all of the ignition coils will be mostly the same process. We are going to pick the hardest one and replace that. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to undo or loosen the nut on the negative cable and remove that, and then just tuck it down to the side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 nuts and 2 bolts for the engine cover. And remove the engine cover. The harness running down the valve cover should have 2 mounting bolts, one right here and then one right here. If your car has that, remove those 2 10mm bolts. Then that allows this harness to float. We're going to slightly pick up on the harness and move the bracket out of the way. Then remove this 10mm. This is for the coil pack. Pull the coil up and undo the connector. Push on the tab and pull straight back. And then we're able to remove the coil. Install the new coil. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Install the bolt for the coil. Get it started by hand. And then snug it down. Pull the harness back. If you took out the 2 10mm bolts for the brackets, put those back in now. Grab your negative cable, put it on the terminal, and snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.